early, ready to get started, and I can't wait for you guys to see the result. Good morning. So it's install day at Project Daisy. I'm standing in front of the house. We're about to go in and start working on it. It's early, ready to get started, and I can't wait for you guys to see the result. Alright guys, so it's install day, Project Daisy. I really can't share too much because I don't want to spoil it for the client if she sees this, but I can't wait for you guys to see the end result. Okay, so we're installing these yummy light fixtures. Can't wait for you guys to see what they look like. The shades are kind of like a amber tone. Say hi, Tom. She said they look like wine glasses, guys. They do, with like thumb grooves. Yes, perfect for drinking. It's so good. Oh, it looks so good. I really like it. It looks so good. So that's it for